50 Days of Attempting to Change the World by NimaRadanArt. Leaving behind good children encompasses more than just biological offspring. It is about nurturing and guiding the next generation, instilling in them values of compassion, empathy, and responsibility. By raising children who are conscious of their impact on the world, we ensure that the cycle of positive change continues beyond our own lifetime.
Day 35. Compassionate listening. Lord, teach me to be a compassionate listener. Help me to truly hear others and to offer support and understanding without judgment.
Today's motivation is ours for a happier world.
Focus on progress, not comparison.
Today's decision is ours for a happier world.
Advocate for the protection of natural habitats and wildlife by signing petitions and raising awareness.
For unity for a happier world.
Today, let us reject hatred and division, and instead embrace love, compassion, and unity.
What is the purpose of our life?
Our presence in this world is a reminder that we are here to learn, to grow, and to evolve as individuals and as a society.
Today's children are the future leaders of the world. They follow our example, and we are responsible for being an example for them worthy of following. We are responsible. We can make the world a better place for children by doing small things. When we are kind and caring, when we protect the environment, and when we strive for change, when we start each day with a new motivation and purpose, we show children how they can change the world. By educating and inspiring children, we can prepare them to become leaders of change in the future. Be with me until the end of this journey. Best wishes, Nima.